Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Kabaka Pyramid releases track from the deluxe version of his Grammy-winning album, The Calling. The artist on Friday released the remix for the single Energy, which features Sean Paul and Jameer Morgan from the historic Morgan heritage lineage. In a release, Kabaka shared that the track is about safeguarding your vitality from those who seek to diminish your spirit. He shared that the collaboration with Sean Paul was a dream come true, given his profound impact on his musical journey. He said his remarkable verse exceeded his expectations, embodying humility and devotion to music, and that Jameer's uplifting vocals infused the track with a lively dynamic that resonates with enthusiasm.
I don't know your agenda, you're invading my space. Too much mix up and blender. Please don't drain my energy. Please don't drain my inner. Please don't drain my inner.
Davido launches Faculty of Music and Arts at Ugandan University. The Nigerian superstar has inaugurated the Faculty of Music and Arts at the International University of East Africa in Kampala, Uganda, as part of his vision to nurture creative talent and foster musical innovation in music, entertainment, and new media. The new faculty also serves as a collaboration hub, giving students opportunities to engage with industry professionals, attend workshops, and showcase their talents around the world. In addition, the institution has named a hall, Davido Hall, in his honor. Now, Beyonce's Cowboy Carter, record-breaking. The Texas Hold'em singer released her debut country album last Friday, and it's already making waves. Both Spotify and Amazon Music announced on social media that the release of Beyonce's 8th studio album has been highly successful. On Friday, Spotify stated that Cowboy Carter became its most streamed album in 2024 within a day, adding that this marks the first time a country album holds the title for the year. While Amazon shared that the album marks Beyonce's biggest on the platform, with the most first-day global streams for all her albums and the most first-day streams for a country album by a female artist. Wow, still on Beyonce. The artist honors music icons as she receives iHeartRadio's Innovator Award. The Cowboy Carter singer on Monday received the award for her contribution to the music industry. During her acceptance speech, Beyonce lauded music icons who have defied the odds despite the challenges they're faced with.
I want to dedicate this award to all the innovators who have dedicated their lives and their art to creating shifts. So thank you for your sacrifices, your powerful voices, and your dauntless spirits. Thank you to Rosetta Tharpe, Miss Tracy Chapman, Linda Martell, Prince, Stevie Wonder, Andre 3000, Tina Turner, Michael Jackson, and so many more who defied any label placed upon them.
The singer, who shared that she is grateful to receive such an honor, made a call to record labels and award shows to take an open-minded approach about one's craft. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. See you next time.